If your dryer will not heat, you should first check to see if the igniter is glowing or a flame has been established. Many dryers will have an access plug or lower panel that can be removed to make this easier to determine. If the igniter does not glow and there's no flame, the flame sensor should be tested for continuity. A continuity test will determine if a continuous electrical path is present in the sensor. If the sensor has continuity, it should be functioning properly. No continuity means the electrical path is broken and the sensor has failed. You can choose from a variety of multimeters to perform the test. For this demonstration, we will use both analog and digital models. When using an analog model, first rotate the range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. Then calibrate the meter by pinching the probes together while adjusting the needle to read 0. When using a digital model, again rotate the dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance, or resistance with tone if your meter has this option. Before you begin, make sure the flame sensor has been removed or isolated from the appliance. Now, use a probe to touch one of the sensor's terminals, and the second probe to touch the other terminal. If the meter reading shows 0 ohms of resistance, the sensor has continuity and is not the cause of the igniter failing to glow. However, if the meter's needle does not move, or the digital display does not change significantly, there is no continuity, which means the sensor has failed and will need to be replaced. Keep in mind that the flame sensor could potentially short out, which would still allow the igniter to glow, but would prevent voltage from reaching the gas valve coils. In this case, the igniter will glow but not turn off, and the flame will not be established. Again, the faulty flame sensor will need to be replaced.